Woohoo! Roasted root vegetables for a date night. Whether you're dining solo or with your mate or with a family member or with all of the above or friends. So easy to make. I cut up some sweet potatoes, purple onions. I had some fennel, carrots, beets, a lot of them from the farmer's market. And you can use any vegetables that you want. Drizzle with olive oil and your herbs. I'm using oregano, basil, turmeric. Have fun, enjoy, cook intuitively, enjoy. Food can be your medicine, it can be sustenance. Food is love in action. And I'm sending you blessings that you can eat well, eat healthy, be at peace, and find resources if you need to reach out to get fruits and veggies in your community. Blessed it be. Love to you. Cynthia Dodona at cynthiadodona.com. Bye-bye. Happy eating.